Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan. On this Tiguan we're going to go over how you remove the bumper to be able to replace your reverse lights. You got one on this side, one on that side on the vehicle. If you have the trailer hitch package, it's a lot harder to get your hand up in there from the bottom side, so just being able to pull and remove the bumper will greatly help out. There is a potential you could get up there, but it's quite tight without removing the bumper. So to remove the bumper, we have 3 screws right here in this wheel well as well as the other wheel well, and then you need to pop this molding off just a teeny bit, and then we'll be able to pull this clip off. And we have 2 T30 screws under the bottom. One is right here and one is right here on both sides, and then the 3 T25s on this side. And then you will need to remove your license plate. Pop the hood, or pop the hatch. You'll need to remove the license plate because you have 2 T25s right in here, and then we have 2 T25s here and 2 T25s here. And once you removed all those, then you'll be able to say pull this bumper away, and we can gain access to be able to change our reverse light bulbs, and or if you're replacing your bumper for whatever reason. So you're just going to grab down, we pull it back this way, and then we'll do the same on this side by pulling this piece of trim away a little bit, and then we'll be able to get in here and pull the whole bumper away like that. Now once we get it back, so we have the trailer hitch piece is holding the rest of the bumper on. So you just need to pull that down, and then that way you can pull this bumper off. Now we have electric that's on this side, and it runs down through the whole thing. So you just want to be careful with that. But that's your bumper removed. And if it pulled back enough, we can gain access to be able to replace our reverse light. So right down in here is our reverse light bulb, and we can be able to twist that a quarter turn to the right, or the counterclockwise to the left, to be able to pull the light handle out. You see this little, there's a little circle there. There's a little pin that's in there, or might be in there, and so you'll have to either pry this away a teeny bit or pull that pin out. And then if you're just replacing the light bulb itself, we just pull the light bulb out. This light bulb here is a 921, and so we get a new 921 and be able to reinstall it. And you would do that same procedure on the other side if you need to replace it. And then once you've done that, like I said, if you don't have the tow package on, you'll be able to do this fairly easy from up under the bottom. But if the tow package is on your vehicle, it's fairly easy to just take this bumper off and be able to accomplish it that way. So once you've replaced your reverse light bulb, we just put this bumper back on in the reverse order, and this is where the 2 screws that come through where the license plate holder is. And so we just need to get the plastic on the bottom, through the trailer hitch, and now we can work our way around, and by clipping that all in, putting these screws back in, and tightening everything up. So you're going to have 4 screws right here, 2 screws here, 3 in both fender wells that are of a T25, and 2 under that are a T30. and that's how you would put the bumper on. So see on this side, we want to line these tabs up into the groove there, and then press it in on this side, and then we can also snap in the molding there, and we put our 3 T25s in the side there, and we work our way around and put all the screws back in, and that's how you would remove your bumper, as well as being able to replace your reverse lights on this 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.